guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the team. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. And guys, a little over 1 month ago, I decided to fund a Robinhood account with $100. And we're going to be doing an update to see how much money I made or how much money I lost with this swing trading challenge. I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. Also, if you guys want to learn more about swing trading, I just released a brand new swing trading course. We talk about my strategy, how I find stocks. You guys will have access to group chats, quizzes. It's pretty much a one-stop shop for all of your swing trading needs. I'll put it down below. Check it out. We're doing a Black Friday sale. I'll put it down below. So guys, let's dive into this. Let's go. All right, so like I said, a little over 1 month ago, I decided to fund a Robinhood account with $100. Now, the reason why I did this is because I wanted to show you guys you don't need thousands of dollars to trade. What you need is a high quality strategy. The only thing that's separating you from making $1,000 a day, if you're already making $10 a day, is one thing, and that's share size. And that's the thing about having a strategy that works and being experienced. I've been a full-time swing trader for about 6 years, so I developed strategies that work and strategies that I love. And two of the biggest tips and tricks for growing a small account is really simple. One, choose quality over quantity. It's better to have high quality plays, high quality setups and stocks than just trading every stock you see. Always choose quality over quantity. The second thing is practice. Have experience, have education, and overall paper trade. Swing trading is a career and you have to treat it like one. It's like a doctor, an engineer. It takes years of practice, hard work, and education. You gotta treat it the same. All right, so now that we kind of know what's going on with this challenge, how much money have I made? Well, in a little over 1 month, I've grown a $100 account into over $555, which is incredible. And like I said, if this was a $1,000 account, this would be sitting over $5,000. And the great thing about swing trading is, like I said, the only thing that's separating you once you have that strategy is just share size. And the great thing about it is we're already seeing all the profits start to compound on itself. So it's absolutely fantastic. But now that we know how much money I made, now let's talk about my strategy and those opportunities. Alrighty, so looking at some of the stocks and opportunities, the broker that I'm using for all this is going to be Moomoo. And honestly, what I do is I use Robinhood because it offers fraction shares. And honestly, this Moomoo account is my full swing trading account, and so it has more money in it. So starting out with that small account, yes, it is on Robinhood, but I do use all the charting that Moomoo has just because it's better. I'll put both of them down below so you guys can sign up. But anyways, let's look at the stocks that I traded. So moving on to stock one here is ticker symbol PLTR. I just actually recently hopped in on this trade and I'm already up about 4% on my money. I got an excellent buy, and the reason why is because understanding basic moving average lines. Moving average lines are absolutely fantastic indicators because they act as trend indicators. On top of that, they act as support and resistance. And what I mean by that is looking at it here, you guys will see that it hits this blue line several times, right? It hits it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Each and every time what happens is it just gets buying pressure just because of natural support. So it sold off all the way down to near and around, $7.10 or $17.10. I hopped in right here at about $17.50, so we're already up handsomely. You guys can see as we go to like the 10-minute chart just how much growth we've seen out of this in the past couple of days. In the single day alone, we got a great push up, actually breaking out of that 200 moving average line, which is an absolute great thing to see. So definitely we'll see some more buying pressure start moving in here very, very soon. So this one here, I'm already in. I'm up about 4% of my money, which is great. And that's a little over like $30. So moving on here is ticker symbol SUZ here. This one here, yes, we have seen a little volatility from it. I understand that. But as we go to the daily chart here, you guys will see that it loves to use these moving average lines as support. We did get not the greatest fill on this, near and around 10.22, so we're up a little bit. But for me, I definitely think we should see a little more buying pressure start entering. Right now, like I said, it's about 2%. We're a little over profit, which is good to see. So definitely one SUZ here using those same moving average lines on the 90 to get that buying pressure. The next one here is Disney. Disney here is more of a long-term play. And what I mean by that is it's going to take a little longer to pan out. We don't have a ton of money invested with the small account with Disney. And the reason why is because it's expensive and it's just going to take a little longer to play out. I understand we still could make a decent amount of money on it. Like we're up a little bit, but you guys will see what I mean. So right now, instead of like the daily chart, this is the quarterly chart. And what this means is each candle represents one quarter. So it represents about 3 months. So obviously this type of trade is going to take a lot longer than normal, swing trades of about 14 days. That's what I normally hold it for. But looking at it here, you guys will see it use these moving average lines in the past as support. So it curled down. I hopped in near and around, $82 a share. We're up a little bit at 92. So we're still up. I definitely see this thing going to about 110, and it's just basic moving average line with an upward trend. On top of that, Disney is investing a bunch of money into their parks, their cruise lines, and they're really focusing on quality movies rather than quantity, which is going to be an absolute great thing to see for this company. So guys, these were the main trades that I had this past, week, because we did already do an updated video the other day where we talked about all the stocks that I was in. So make sure you guys check that out. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to check out my swing trading course, and we'll see you later. Take care.